So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your promo of up to $1,000, it's okay. I'm gonna leave 7 steps down below to apply a referral code retroactively. It takes about 30 seconds and you can do it right in your Uber driver app. A lot of people don't know that, but if you signed up for Uber and you never used a referral code, you know, it's not too late. You can actually go back and apply someone's code. Obviously, if you haven't signed up yet, you can just sign up normally. I'll have links down below for both Uber and Lyft. But yeah, if you signed up, you never used a code, it's not too late. Just follow the steps down below and you can get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we're talking about the new requirement that Uber is now enforcing onto riders, that riders now have to take selfies if basically they don't behave. So if a driver reports that a rider is not wearing a mask, they will have to take a selfie. So if you're a rider, if you're a passenger and you're not wearing a mask during your Uber and Lyft rides, wear your masks. I know it's a controversial topic, at least here where I am. I know probably in every single other area of the world, of the country, probably some other areas of the world too, masks are like everybody wears a mask. Where I am, most people don't. I'm in Orange County, California. Southern Orange County in particular. Nobody wears a mask. I don't know why. But basically, I don't know what, I'm not super political, so I don't know if it's like, if everybody here is like super liberal or super conservative or what it is, but everyone basically says, screw the government, we're not listening to this BS. Everyone thinks, I'll call it the illness because I don't want to get demonetized. They all think it's fake and they think the government's trying to control us. I'm skeptical. I'm not like, I guess I'm not really taking that bet, because if it actually is as bad as it sounds, I mean, I've heard numbers from both sides. I've heard that's really bad. Obviously people have been getting super ill from it. I've also heard that, hey, you know what, it's no big deal, and the numbers are much lower than they're saying, and most people who are, whatever, I'm not trying to stir up a debate about this. That's not why I'm here. I probably already have though. But I just want to say, because like, if you're in LA, Los Angeles, so I have a place there and I have a place down here, right? Apartment. So I spend my time in both areas. In LA, you're always wearing a mask. Even if you're walking down your neighborhood street. If you're walking around without, like, people look at you like, that guy's murdering people. But here it's like you can walk around the mall with no mask on. You can walk around the beach. The beaches are packed. No one's wearing a mask. You can walk around our downtown area. No one's wearing a mask. It looks like normal. The only people who are the workers, pretty much. Or if you have to go inside somewhere, they still do enforce it there. But anyway, sorry, I'm just ranting. You guys are pretty much my friends, so I don't know. I just like think it's kind of funny. Comment down below if you guys are in one of those states, or if... Anyways, here we go. Let's hop right into it. So this is on Gizmodo.com. If you're an irresponsible jackbutt, Uber will soon ask for proof wearing a mask. There are so many people coming out with articles on this. Yet another popular rideshare company will soon require documented proof that you're not behaving like an idiot when using its service. Uber says it will soon introduce a mask verification feature that requires riders to submit selfies as proof of a mask, a tool the company introduced for its drivers earlier this year. So yeah, as for a driver, I can just show you guys, when you sign, this is what it will look like, by the way. So if you're a passenger, so as a driver, when you go online, you have to take a photo of yourself. Verify you're wearing a face mask or mask before you go online. And I'll just do it. This is my mask. This is what it's gonna look like if you're a passenger, by the way. This is what we have to do as drivers. Shout out to Marcel von Berlin. This is a designer company. They're selling these masks for $13. Sorry, I hate talking with the mask on. They're selling these masks for 13 bucks. If you want to get a designer, like this is designer, most of their stuff costs $500, $1,000 whatever, but they can't sell legally face masks for they can't sell face masks for $100. So if you want like a Gucci face mask right now, if you want something Gucci, go buy a face mask. I don't know if they sell face masks, but this company does, and only 13 bucks, because like they legally can't charge more because it's called price gouging. So it's so soft and comfy though, and their design is sick. But yeah, this is it. Can I do a peace sign? And that's it. Thanks for verifying. So yeah, I'm not gonna actually go online right now, but I did want to look at this article on CBS News because I think this one is actually pretty interesting. Uber to mandate mask selfies of riders to ensure they cover their faces. Honestly, like, hey, if they're gonna force drivers to do it, why not do riders as well? Customers who try getting into an Uber without a face mask will have to prove that they have their mouth and noses covered if they want to ride. The ride-hailing service said on Tuesday it cited medical experts in stating that wearing a mask can slow the spread of the illness, which has killed more than should a driver report a passenger not wearing. So yeah, basically the only time they're gonna do it is if the driver reports the rider for not wearing a mask. So honestly, it sounds like riders will still get away with not wearing a mask, but I don't know why they make drivers do it every single time we go online. We have to take a selfie, whereas riders, they don't have to. I guess because they're the ones paying, whatever. The mask verification is being rolled out in the US and Canada by the end of the month and across Latin America. A policy already in place allows riders and drivers to cancel trips without the penalty should the other person not be wearing a mask. So, yeah, nice. That's what the mask verification says. That's what it'll look like for the rider. Okay, that's on the rider app. So you have to do that. But you'll only do it if you get reported. So anyways, that's the update, guys. Delta Airline has banned at least 240 people from flying over their refusal to follow its rule. Now riders too will have to provide photogenic proof, blah, blah, blah. Let's look. Oh, what about Lyft? Let's see Lyft. Uber competitor Lyft also requires passengers to wear masks and sit in the back seat. I don't think they do the I don't think they make them take a selfie though. This is on Uber's website though, with the selfie thing, their announcement. So this was, yeah, wear a mask, protect each other. Medical experts agree, mask verification. We built innovative technology. To date, more than 3.5 million drivers and delivery people have completed more than 100 million mask verifications. Wow, that's a lot of verifications. But yeah, guys, that's about it for today. They ask you to watch it, wear it, whatever, air it. Okay, thank you all for watching today's video. That's the announcement. Make sure to hit the video with the big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, you know, just as a thank you for me making these videos while I move and stuff. It's stressful, but hey, I'm moving boxes, I'm filming, I'm editing, staying up all night, but it's worth it for you guys to get this breaking news. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.